Hey, Bart. Boys, we got a bear in the camp over by the food bag. I'm down by it. Get your air horn, please. It's walking up to you. Hey, Bart. Hey, Bart.
Air horn now.
Hey, Bart. It's over by that table, that stump.
By the stump. US just want us to use the air horn.
Not yet. Hey, Bart. Hey, Bart. It's right here. It's right there. It's running into the woods.
Black there, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, I see it. I do, yeah.
It's just sitting there.
You think it just smells?
Where's your air horn?
He has it.
Yeah, it's smelling. Hey, Bear.
What are you doing hair bear for?
Hey, Bear.
Good, good. No.
On, get. Hit.
He's yawning.
Yeah, he doesn't care. Hey, Bear. On, get. Get.
That was good firewood, Dad.
We'll get it later.
Is the bear bag up? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's still probably over there.
It is still over there.
You can see it still.
Can you?
Right? Is that it?
I'm not seeing it.
Were you fishing that?
No.
Then how did you